Namaskar, the inner child's effort. Hello, my friend. Welcome to my channel. This is Amira, the inner child's effort. Your energy, life, John, breath are trying to get your attention every and each moment. Through any kind of natural enthusiasm around you. Yeah, natural enthusiasm that you see around you. But when the inner child, when sees that it doesn't matter to you and you pass easily, when inner child sees that you do not show your true feelings, you do not show your true feelings in reality. You imagine always, everyone, that in the eyes and opinions of the society and world, oh my God, what will people say and think? What will the elders of the family say? What will the neighbors say? What will my friends, colleagues, everyone say? That's why you step on the needs of your inner child. Because you want to be fake, because you learned to be fake since childhood. You want to show yourself a wise person. You say that living contrary to the opinion of others is not wise, and you stand in front of yourself, and you suppress your feelings, unfortunately. Yeah, not just you, everyone. The worst thing is that you deceive yourself and make excuses that you have grown up. What are these childish behaviors? When you lose someone, when you broke up with someone, when you lose your friend, your partner, an important or dear person, you want to cry, but you don't cry. Why you don't cry? Why you don't show your true feelings? Why? Because society told you you have to be strong. Boys don't cry. Even girls. Why are you crying? I saw so many people, they tell to their partners or friends, why are you crying? Don't ask her or him this question. Take her or his hand and sit there. Be quiet and listen. Be with that person. God, society told you to you have to be strong, a big strong person, don't cry, and nonsense. What happened to you? You know, or when you will took gifts or reach something you like, you want to be happy, you want to show your feelings, you want to clap and have fun and show your feelings, your true feelings, but you're not. Why? You don't show your happiness, and because you think that others will label you as aspectless. Why you take yourself, the people say, why you take yourself so serious? What is behavior? And you know, when you lock up, when you ignore your feelings step by step, the energy inside you, the voice inside you, the inner child inside you, the diamond inside you, the beautiful energy of God inside you becomes weaker and weaker. Yes, and just stepping into the world of taking life so seriously and being hard on yourself, it brings you various diseases like cancer, depression, so many diseases around you, so many even incurable diseases. You build a wall between yourself and your true self. And when you build a wall between you and your true self, you cannot have any good relationship or friendship with anyone, because you don't know yourself. How you can get to know someone else? You cannot. And even others cannot get to know you, because you're not honest with yourself. So you can't be honest with anyone. This will be the biggest disaster of your life. So listen to me. You have to change or die. Change for yourself and be grateful. God created you to live, to laugh, to dance, to enjoy this beautiful life, this beautiful world, to enjoy your life, to, the experience of being human on Mother Earth. Have fun. Be your true self. Show your true feelings. Don't think about others. You matter. You are so important, okay? Look, dear unique. Don't forget. Always, always, always remember there is only one you. Stay and be original and stay original. Don't be fake. If you be unoriginal, a fake person, you will have relationships, friendships with fake people. Be honest with yourself. Okay? And write a comment for me. Be in the shelter of God's love always, forever and beyond. Love you. Ashe. Amira, Rani.